so uninspired. Sometimes I feel like giving up. Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
I feel so uninspired, man.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
I wanna give up.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna give up.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna give up. Sometimes I feel like reality ain't real life. I must be tripping though, cause life doesn't feel right. Me and my old foes, we used to be real tight. Now my back holds a bloody stainless steel knife. I'm so uninspired, I'm so fucking tired. I'm trying to take this rap shit into something higher. Lack of support got me writing whack, feeling bored. Dropping track after track, searching for support. As the months pass, the anxiety grows cold. It snuck up on me fast like a blow to the nose. It knocked me to the flow, I felt so pitiful. The walls were closing in on me, I was miserable. Depression is a bitch and the pills got the best of me. The lesson from the shit is either quit or slowly rest in peace. I did it for my babies, you know I love them dearly. My family and my lady, I am now thinking clearly.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna give up.
Uninspired is a disease I can't take hold of. Like cops in the 80s and La Costa Nostra. Constantly debating what to say or hold close. Dark clouds are looming, it's a storm in full force. I feel like I'm fading when I stray from the course. Light turns so dark and the music's my torch. Gotta do something with it, put some substance in it. Tell the youth to stay in school, it ain't working, it's a privilege. My grand told me the same, damn I wish I listened. And let the hard truths and dangerous decisions went down a broken path, now there ain't no going back. Uninspired for a decade, now I'm finally on the map.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna give up.
Feel like giving us up, I can no longer take it. My life I'm living it up, but my faith has been shaken. It's tainted with hatred, I'm a lost, try base it. Just face it that I can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. So I'm making words rhyme, then I squeeze them through a funnel. They all come in doubles or bundles. I'm trapped inside this bubble with my troubles, cause I can't think of shit. Cause I can't think of shit. I can't even write without blazing any weed. I need some inspiration, I need some energy. So where's the motivation? It's the inner me, but it's only frustration mixed with all the dreams. And I'm tired from the boredom. I often feel exhausted from writing and recording. I'm feeling like I lost it. I'm working till the morning, till I'm done and got it. It was such a damn torment just to have to drop it.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel so uninspired.
Sometimes I feel like